Hi friends! Ready to draw Harley Quinn? She's super cool and a lot of fun to sketch, so grab your markers and let's get started. Awesome job, everyone. Your Harley Quinn looks amazing. If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun drawing tutorials. I can't wait to see what we'll create next. See you soon.